Okay, got my kids at the gun range. Show them how to pop, pop. No, just in case, you know what I mean? In case.
Then you pull it and then.
Yep.
Oh, my fingers stuck. Oh,
jeez. That has to hurt.
Okay.
You okay?
Well, yeah, it was
Still
okay.
got the
It didn't
gun.
hurt.
How you take the magazine out?
Huh?
How you take the magazine out?
That's a lot.
No, you can keep that down.
Take it out.
Yeah. The button right
What's
there.
that one?
This? Just a different company.
Oh, okay.
There you go.
Okay.
Might be able to do this.
A little piece right here to plug to.
So pull that slide back. There you go.
It's the one in the front.
So that's the safety. You're going to lower that. Yep. Lower it
Down.
towards your feet.
Who's going first? Who's going first?
I'll go first.
I got them at the gun range and headphones on and everything. It's still so you always put it in this way, the bullet facing that way, and then you want to push it down and then slide it in.
That's how you keep your bullet and keeps.
Or some of them have a little cheat thing. This one don't got it. Sometimes some of them have a thing you can just pull it down, but with this one you got to keep like pushing it.
It's like one of those
Like that.
cans.
Just at a time. 2 bullets at a time.
Huh?
How much bullets you put in there?
You got to do one at a time.
I'm not saying shoot it, Mom. I'm saying how much bullets you put in there.
Probably 10. This one can hold 16. The more and more you put them in. Okay, we're gonna start with that. Y'all ready?
Yeah, let me go first.
Okay, so once y'all got that in there, always keep y'all hand. You paying attention to me? Always keep your hand on the side. Just saying here. Finger. Do not put your finger on the trigger unless you got it aimed and ready to shoot. Okay. So keep your hand here. Do not put it on the trigger unless you got your target and you ready to shoot.
Alright. What?
Okay. I'm just telling y'all. So this hand, you should be able to have like no space right here. This hand here is kind of like support. Like that. All right. Y'all ready? When you can't shoot no more, it's because there's no more bullets in it. So this thing will pop back. And then once that's done, you just place it like that. Turn around. You just place it right there. These kids are scared. Why they so scared? You ready to load? Okay, so here, take the gun, take the clip off. There's no bullets in it. Just take the clip off. Place the gun. this way because it will stop you. See, look. You can't push it down. You gotta push it down right here at the top. Like right where that beginning start there. And slide it. But you probably have to push this because it get harder the more you put it in there. Pull it up a little bit more. No. Push it here. With this hand. Push it down. No. Like push this bullet kind of down a little bit. And start uphill. And then push. Because it got to get in. Then you slide. There you go. How many in there so far?
Like 4. That's not good, right?
Yeah, it's good. It's in there. Like, even it's not gonna pop out. Look. Push down. This here you gotta push too. So, see these two little corner pieces here? You gotta push that in uphill. Cause it gotta be right there so you can slide it in easy.
Alright, let's put it in.
Let me put another one.
Man.
You'll be fine.
Good.
Come on.
Don't do that.
Oh, you want me to just do it?
Huh?
Pick the gun up.
Mom, I'm going
Let me do
Gotta
it.
give me a minute.
I got it. So see how my hand is? You just load the clip. You put it in. Pull that. Don't put your finger on the trigger when you pick it up.
Are you nervous?
Yes. When I first came in here,
Like put it to the up there.
jumping.
Pull your hand up a little bit more. No. This hand gotta be up there. No. This hand. No. Don't put your
Hold on,
hand
I'm
on
gonna
the
put it back
trigger.
down. I'll redo this.
Relax.
Huh?
Relax.
I'm good, man. Just
You said he's grabbing me something.
Okay. Set that on the floor. I'll put it right here. Okay, look. Relax. You're gonna lift the gun. This hand goes here.
Okay.
Okay?
I know, I get that. I'm saying.
You
not
can't
me.
have no space right here. So you can't have your hand
Okay,
down.
I get mine,
So
I know.
up there, grab.
Alright, put the gun back down.
And off the trigger. Get a good grip. You got a good grip? Come back a little bit.
Come on, don't touch, you can't touch me. You can't touch me. Don't touch me.
Come back a little bit.
Huh?
Come back a little bit. Get a good grip. Kind of bend your knees a little bit. Get into a good posture. Bend your hand. Your hand's in a good posture too. Have a good grip. Because once you shoot it, the recoil is gonna pop back.
Alright.
Alright, now if at any point, just take your hand off the trigger if you feel like you want to put it down. Okay?
Alright.
When you ready, go ahead. And when you
Put it
ready,
back
go.
down. I'm sorry. Loosen up.
Y'all just relax. It's cool. It's good. Y'all good.
I'm just gonna,
And don't put that hand.
I was about to do it.
No, I'm just trying to remind you.
You record me on my phone? Or you record-
Get your hand on.
It's not on. Calm down.
Don't even put it in the hole until you're ready.
It wasn't even in the hole, man. I was trying to put
It
it up.
did get in there.
Alright, I'm gonna go back. You ready?
If at any point you want to put it down,
I just press it, right?
get your hand off the trigger and put it down, okay? When you ready, put your hand on the trigger and shoot,
Alright, we're gonna go right now.
okay? I should have put your thing in there. Okay. Dang, I should have put your body on there. Your paper. Dang, son got them headshots up there like that. Okay, she over here on the 22. We got to put it down. Put it down.
got my phone?
Okay. Huh?
You got my phone?
No.
Pick it up.
Okay.
Don't put your hand on the trigger.
Okay.
Hold it good. Okay. Get a good grip. Come back. Bend a little bit. Bend this, not too straight. Both arms. But have a good grip. Hold it
I
down.
do. Why do I have to bend my arms?
Hmm.
I have to bend my arms like this?
You gotta hold them up. But have it like bend it, the elbows a little bit.
Hey, come on, be careful.
Okay.
And you got the gun like up, kind of pull it.
Don't be scared.
Like, that's good. And when you ready, put your hand on the trigger and shoot. Oh, see, this one is good because it's a 22. Oh, you got it in the 7. Y'all good at shooting. Bring it down. Bring it down because you aiming
Down?
not down, but like, yeah. Go ahead. Still aiming up. Put them in the right way. No, look, relax. I want to show you. Let me take this out. So I can-
Spin it in, right?
No, I'm trying to show you.
I don't know how to hit the first one in. I'm talking about the second.
That's why I say you gotta relax. See, like right here. There's a gap right there. Get this back part of the bullet in.
Right, mom.
So you can't put it in like.
Not hearing what I'm saying. I know how to put the. That's why I'm trying to put it in.
You just pay attention to the corner pieces right here. See it right there? Look. Put that back part right there. See where my nail is? Right there. Finger off the trigger. Make sure. Don't be scared. Pop it in there. Just hang on the trigger right.
Hit that thing back.
Go ahead. Now, hold it. No. Good grip. When you ready to shoot, you can shoot. You gotta wait. Take your finger off the trigger. When I say you ready, whenever I say you ready to shoot, that means put your finger on the trigger when you're ready to shoot.
Yeah, I know. That's all I'm ready to
So,
shoot.
as I was telling you, you gotta make sure this here,
Mom, you're not listening to me. Listen.
this one they shoot.
I know what I'm doing. I know. There are shots. These people, actual shots, is throwing me
You gotta
off.
relax.
So let me calm down.
Just
I know what
relax.
I'm doing.
You will be good. It's just relax.
Got it. So they not shooting no more. So now I'm finna go. That's why I was saying let me go first when it wasn't shooting.
Too much gap.
All right, mom.
No. Okay, so go ahead and take the clip out.
Okay. It's heavy.
I know, right? Hand off the trigger.
It ain't no bullets in it.
I know, but you never put it on there.
How do you go like this, right?
Push it in.
In? Oh.
So when I was telling Tramarian, he showed you over there. So look, you got like this little thing. If you try to put it in like that, you can't because the back part of the bullet is too big. There's a little front part here that you slide it right in. Push it down, slide it in. So with the next bullet, you're gonna push it down, but you gotta have good strength. Slide it in. Let me change this one. Y'all did good. Boy, Jamarion did good. Jamarion, you did good. All them head shots is yours. And them body shots is yours. You ready?
Okay.
Pull it up a little bit, push this back, right there, yeah. Just kind of push it down when you do it. And slide it back and get it in there.
Is that right? All right.
You nervous?
No, I can't get it in there. I'm
Good.
trying.
Push.
I know how to do it. I just can't do it. I know how to do it. I just can't.
The harder, the more you put in. Hand off the trigger.
Hey.
Let me, I'm trying, y'all got to, okay, this is, the bullets are in here. All y'all gotta do is just listen. Once you pick this gun up, pick it up like this. Paying attention?
Yep.
Pick it up like that. This hand need to be here. Then you can push this down. So, pull that back. Hold it. Now push that down. Use your other hand.
Okay.
This gun has a lot of recoil. Different from the 22 you was just shooting.
Okay.
Hand to the side. Once you're ready to shoot, put your hand on the trigger. Go ahead. I got it. Make sure you're doing it right.
But you didn't even let me get ready. Let me just get my hands on the stuff.
Just don't.
I am listening, but you keep saying hand on the gap. Just give me some time to get myself situated.
Okay, I'm gonna say nothing. Get it good. You ready?
Yeah.
Good posture. No,
I'm ready.
Ooh, that was a good one. Y'all, dang. Ooh, come on now.
I didn't know that shot.
Look at them body shots. 7, 8, 9. You did. Now, I'm not gonna say nothing. I'm gonna let you do it. Okay? This looks I do not like it. 'Cause you can do shit like that. It jammed. Part 2. I had to unjam it.
Both of you.
All
are
right,
trying
y'all.
it.
Got the big boy.
I had to walk over there and get it. You're trying it.
All right, how you pick this thing up? Cause you know
So
I don't
it
know
is
yet.
ready to go. It's loaded. Just pick it up. You'll put this like in your shoulder.
Can I pick it up from here?
Yep. Yes, your left hand will be right on there.
So I keep it on here,
Yep.
and I put this here.
Yep.
Hold on now. Is it on there good?
Yeah.
You say ain't no recoil,
Not too much.
and when I ready, is it strong?
Stronger than what you were just shooting, but not. It won't be.
It ain't gonna hit me where my heart stops.
You'll be fine.
I gotta hold it down. Oh, have any in here?
Don't worry about it. I got enough for him.
Okay.
The ceiling? Don't worry about it. Look how many holes there are. Don't worry. But I made this closer, so maybe that'll help.
Okay, all right, so let's see. I like this.
Try it?
All right, you ready? It's out of bullets.
I got it.
Oh, it's out of bullets?
Look.
Hmm?
So you know it's done.
Yeah, show me.
Right there, the red one at the top in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
I said, feel it.
All right. Shooting an AK for the first time. How that feel?
I feel like I hit that.
Let me see your phone.
So which one do you like the best?
This one right here.
You like the AR?
Yeah. I feel like my better than ranking.
What'd you say?
AR first. This one second, and then the last one. I don't like the last one.
So remember what I told you?
Yeah, I know. Don't put my hand on the trigger. So it's heavy. Can I put my hand right here?
Yep. In here. Now it's more like compact.
Okay.
On the shoulder. On the shoulder.
like the most?
It's okay. I was scared at first. Then when it like hit, I thought it was gonna like push me all the way back.
Right, it's not too bad.
Huh?
Which one you like the most?
I think I like this one.
All of them. Wow, I'm gonna shoot that something. Let's get a different target.
Alright, let's see.
And that is loaded, ready to go.
Alright.
Can I go next? Mom, can I go next? Yeah.
Okay, now I can see.
It smells like eggs.
Yeah.
It helps when
It
you're
smell-
aiming.
Yeah, it smell like, it do smell strong.
Right,
Well, not
yeah.
too strong, but it smell like an egg.
You said I have
Like
8?
egg. Huh?
8?
Yeah.
8 shots?
Right?
Oh, I hear so. Are you slide that back?
I don't think you probably, you have one. You don't have to slide none back. You just shoot. It's just 8 bullets left or something.
Alright, look, y'all, look. 3. So if it's headshot at the top, I'm like, let me see right now. I shot 3 headshots at the top. Let's see.
Well, we see the 3, but it ain't.
I didn't hit.
Well, you got 1 on the skin. Skin. So see them 3 right there? Oh, you do got 1 right there.
Got 1.
So you got that body.
I mean, yes.
See this?
So how was y'all first time at the gun range? Huh? I can't hear y'all.
It was alright.